Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Activity 7-24, downloading and installing the CSE for Vista. Our objective, we're going to download and install the CSE for Vista. So, first step, we're going to use Firefox instead of Internet Explorer because the internet is craptacular today. We're going to go to download.microsoft.com. Now we're going to search in the text box, type client-side extension. For Windows Vista. Extensions, Vista. Enable to installed. What the heck that is. We'll click the group policy preferences. Okay, then we'll click continue. Continue. We're going to click save file. And then okay, this actually concludes Activity 7-24, downloading and installing the CSE for Vista. Thank you and have a great day.